you believe this story, by the way? Like, this is crazy. Zero Hedge has been saying this for years, literal years. And I didn't really look into it until like a year ago. Maybe I looked into it for the first time. I didn't look into it enough to know it was Jane Street or that they had this thing nailed down. I didn't know anything about the authorized participant thing until last week. And this is, to me, the wildest story in Bitcoin.
I think, by the way, there's a lot of similarities in our thinking here.
Okay, go. Do you want to do the summary? Do the summary like you always do.
I got there's much of a summary to be done. I think it's more of a discussion more than anything else, because this is huge news, right? So the fact that these guys apparently are manipulating markets.
It's not even apparently. I think it's like this is like a fact. It's a fact.
If you look at 100%, because if you look at the chart, a lot of people are saying that there seems to be something synthetic here. If you're looking at what happens, and it's a cyclical thing, it just happens Sunday night, another fucking dump. What the fuck happened?
10 a.m. slam, man. 10 a.m. slam. So the way they can do it is that it authorized participants, and these guys are one of the 4 original authorized participants in the ETF, in the IBIT ETF. So the big money ETF, the BlackRock spot ETF for Bitcoin, they're an authorized participant. What does that mean? It means that they buy and sell spot to match the price of Bitcoin and keep the ETF in balance with the spot price. Okay. So
and there's not a lack of reporting.
That's right.
Needed. They don't have to report.
That's exactly right.
Information. I guess they can if they want.
Nor their methods. So
when they rebalance,
so that when they rebalance, they can take the other side of the trade in a derivatives hedge. So they can go, that is to say, basically, if they know they're going to sell to rebalance at 10 a.m., they can go short once the market has that sort of market has been open for a while, and the books are a little deeper than they would be at 9 or than they would be on the weekend or they would be overnight. You know, you get that 10 a.m. Eastern. If you can go short on that, you know, you're really doing well. Now, Zero Hedge, I just want to point out, this is not a sure thing, okay?